it can take days for it to dry. Several thousand other RVs to where somebody else probably has the same key that you do. Bonus tip instead, but look, oh, magic! In this video, we're gonna show you some gear we have found to make RV life easier, but here is the kicker. This isn't like your typical RV accessories types of items, and you are gonna be surprised when you see some of the things that we use to make RV life easier. You're just gonna have to watch.
I'm not staying down low. I'm pushing past the edge. I see the light ahead, saw the dark side, but the sun is rising. I'm not giving up.
Yeah! So the first unconventional accessory that we use for RV living that's not really technically like an RV accessory is this bad boy right here. Now, this one's battery operated, which is super convenient because you don't want to have to plug it in, but you would be surprised how convenient this thing is for RV life. Now, the main thing that we use this thing for is because we travel with pets, we end up with a lot of animal hair, dust, dirt. We've got kids, did I mention teenagers? Oh my gosh, the wrappers, the trash, everything. Well, this bad boy gets rid of all of that. Usually our routine is on a travel day, is we're getting ready to pack up. We just start from the end of the RV, out the front door with this bad boy. Next on the list for things that we use for RV life that aren't necessarily like RV specific accessories are these microfiber towels. These ones are from our friends over at Venture Forth. We've actually been using this brand of microfiber towels for living in the RV for probably close to 2 years now, but they just came out with these fun new colors. They sent us some of these, and the reason we switched to microfiber towels versus traditional towels is really for 2 reasons. One, they take up way less space than a traditional towel does, but these things dry super quick. And so when you're in an RV and you're hanging up your towel to dry, and it's one of those like terry cloth towels, when it's drying like this, it can take days for it to dry. And in my opinion, nothing worse than grabbing like a super wet towel to shower off. So, oh, speaking of towel, I've got a towel hack that I am gonna show you here in just a few minutes. But these are such great towels because they will actually fit in our washer and dryer as well, and I can wash all of our towels at once because they have such a smaller footprint. They're also great if you are in an RV park, you want to head down to the pool, grab one, head down to the pool. They dry super fast. This is a little hack that I recently learned on folding these towels. Now, folding them this way, the main benefit of this, it's somewhat space saving, but it's also nice because of something I'm going to show you here in just a minute. But basically what you want to do is fold it to where you're about like this. So in half first, in half again, and then we're going to make like a little triangle here at the top. Then we're going to flip it over and then fold this again. Flip it. You must flip it. And then I'm going to just roll this up. Now here's where the magic happens. So as we roll it up, we've created this little pocket here, and then we're gonna take this extra corner of towel and we're just gonna tuck it into the pocket. And this is actually kind of like how that they roll like spa towels or pool towels if you go to like a high-end resort. So this is not gonna come undone. So I can like throw it in a beach bag, I can throw it at Ben, I can do all sorts of stuff, and it's gonna stay put.
It's a good day coming. It's a good day coming. It's a good day, sweet like honey.
Another totally underrated, non-traditional RV accessory we've recently found is this hood fan from Ciara. In the past, when I was cooking in the RV, I would usually have to pop open our roof vent fan, especially when cooking items like bacon, which Alaska loves. The problem there is when it's summer, like right now, and you're trying to keep the RV cool, the vent fan is on, well, there goes all your cool air out the roof of the RV. And the AC can actually have trouble keeping things cool. This new cooking hood fan is the perfect solution because this has a suction motor that actually sucks in the fumes. No more having to open the roof vents when cooking, and it has 3 different layers of filters that filter fumes and odors. The filters are really easy to clean and they're dishwasher safe. Its small portable size makes it easy to store when not in use. This little gem is definitely a new favorite for us when it comes to RV life.
Ciara just released some fun new colors as well. Visit gratefulglamper.com gratefulglamper.com/hoodfan to see the new colors and to order your Ciara Hood Fan Plus. See the description below this video for discount codes and the link to order.
Then next, unconventional RV accessory, if you will, is actually unconventional trash cans. Now, would you believe that this bucket bin basket thing from the Dollar Tree is actually a trash can? Yes, it is a trash can. Now, here is the thing about RVing and RV life and even just small living in general, is you have all of these like interesting spaces, right? So you have a space where it's super small, maybe you have a space that's large, maybe you have a space that's just oddly shaped. And these types of things that have some flex and give can make the perfect trash can. So what we have got here is this converts to a trash can very easily. You just take a grocery sack, you put it around the handles, and because this flexes, yes, you can actually get the liner to fit in this just fine. See, here we go. Now we have a liner in my pseudo trash cans. We actually are using these types of like bucket ones up in the front of the RV. In our bathroom, we are actually using another basket from the Dollar Tree that we put a trash can liner in because it fits perfectly between the wall and the toilet. When it comes to trash receptacles, think unconventional. I've also used like one of those letter holder things that you find in the school section at the Dollar Tree for a slimline trash can because that too works. So there you go. Now this is the bathroom trash can that I was telling you about, but as I went to go put a new liner in it, I just remembered I have another hack. So this is like bonus tip. Anyway, if you put a paper towel in the bottom of your trash can, and then this is just some lemon essential oil. So I just put a few drops of lemon essential oil on the paper towel first, and then I add in my liner. It actually, you know, is a way that you can mitigate some of those trash smells without using any sort of harsh chemicals. So there's your bonus tip that you didn't even know was gonna come, but that's what we offer here on this channel. Lots of bonus tips, lots of hacks. It's all right here. So the next item that we use for RV life that isn't necessarily an RV accessory is bins. Now you can get bins in all sorts of shapes and sizes. This is one of my favorite bins from IKEA, bin from the Dollar Tree. This one's nice in the fridge because of the handle. You can even make your own bins, which we've got this bin here that is a DIY from a rug at the Dollar Tree. I'll put a link to a video in the description below of instructions on how to make one of these if you're so interested in. But we've got a brand new use for some bins. And for that, I'm gonna have Ben tell you all about it. Tell us, Ben.
I'm so glad that you asked about bins because I'm almost as organized as Charity is. What I found is these bins that I got from Home Depot, and what I like most about them is they are completely clear. They've got the clear lids and they're $10. Super cheap. So what I do is I categorize everything into these bins and then I put all the things in them. And then I put a little label on them. So you see this is the TPMS, any of the hot spots. This is what I put the RV GPS, cell phone stuff, anything cell. So what I'm gonna do is stack these right back into the closet area.
Real quick, we wanted to tell you about one thing we love, and that's the ability to have power anywhere, anytime. And that's why we love having a portable power source like the Enernova Ultra Portable Power Station. The ETA Ultra uses a safer Life PO4 battery with 6 times the life compared to other portable power stations and over 3,000 charge cycles. The ETA Ultra is also super easy to transport and makes power on the go simple. The power station can be charged with the included AC adapter, the 12-volt car charger, or our favorite, charging with the optional solar panels. It fully charges in just 2 hours, and it can be used as an emergency power supply for home in case of a power outage. The ETA Ultra capacity of 2,160 watt hours also provides 2,000 watts of power, so you can run several appliances or even plug your RV in with a standard extension cord. Visit gratefulglamper.com/power station to learn more and order your Enernova portable power station, solar panels, accessories, or just visit the link in the description below. Now back to the video.
So you'll have to let me know so far, what is your favorite unconventional accessory, or what are some unconventional accessories that you're using? Definitely want to hear from you guys in the comments. Next on the list is anything collapsible is your friend because it saves space. So these are actually items I use here in the RV. So here we have a collapsible colander. This actually came from TJ Maxx of all places, $3. These are collapsible measuring spoons. So nice and collapsible. They fit super nicely in the drawer when they fold down. All my measuring spoons right there. Now these I found on Amazon a while ago and I absolutely love these. But this whole thing is actually a collapsible like storage container set. So you can like use this for your leftovers, or a lot of times what I'll do is I'll cut up like fresh fruit for the week, put it into here. The lid snaps in place. And so you've got all sorts of different sizes, but these make storing leftovers super, super easy. If by chance you're so lucky as to have a dishwasher in your RV, which we don't, these are actually dishwasher safe as well. And they are microwave safe because this lid actually vents if you put this into the microwave. So fun little fact there. But anything collapsible, so think collapsible laundry basket, collapsible bucket, if you need a dish rack, one of those things that's collapsible. So these ones I actually like because these ones I'll use for like a small mixing bowl. So if I'm making pancakes for the kids or something, I'll actually use this particular one instead. But look, magic! It just collapsed right down. And then these nest together because there's a set of 3 of these and they all store nicely. So this was another Amazon find as well. So collapsible is your friend. So next up on the list is this new keypad lock from RV Door Lock. Now, up until recently, these were available for other applications such as fifth wheels and travel trailers, but not Class A's. So we were super excited when this was then available for Class A. Now, the install process was fairly simple. Ben did it in a day. He did have to modify ours just slightly because it's an older RV, but a newer Class A, it's pretty much, you know, not rocket science sort of thing. Comes with very easy install instructions step by step. But what you do is you just charge it. It has an internal battery, so you charge it with a USB in here. And that's what powers the battery that does the power door lock itself. You could enter your code, lock and unlock with the code, or you got this fancy dancy remote here. Now, it also does come with a key. Now, here's the thing that's kind of like slightly scary is that the factory handle we had in here is a key that is probably similar to about, I don't know, several thousand other RVs, to where somebody else probably has the same key that you do, which is pretty scary. Not anymore. We're nice and secure with a super secret code right here. So loving this. We'll have a link below. What would you say? Not drag and drop. Drop and drop? I don't know. Yet. Hint, hint. You'd throw it in there. You just throw it in there. So I'm gonna put a video right up here for some accessories that we actually have trashed. Not worth the money. You're gonna definitely wanna check out that list right up here. If we don't see you out on the road or around the campground, we'll see you in the next video.